Hi, this is Dr. Tom Taylor. This story illustrates what can happen when you address symptoms as quickly as possible. Sean's dad called me within 30 minutes of a fall off his bicycle while performing jumps off a ramp. The boy had landed on his right shoulder and he was in a lot of pain. He couldn't move his arm and his dad asked, "Can you see him right away?" "Yeah," I said, "put ice on his shoulder and get him in here so we can see how bad it is. If he needs medical attention, the hospital is 5 minutes from my office." I examined Sean within an hour of his accident, and fortunately his shoulder wasn't dislocated, even though it was immovable and extremely painful. I walked Sean through memory reframing, and at the same time I performed some hands-on healing procedures that we'll share with you later. In about 15 minutes, Sean could move his right arm, and the pain in his shoulder had lessened significantly. I sent him home with some acute injury nutritional supplements and self-care instructions. I saw him a couple more times, and in less than 2 weeks, he'd fully recovered and was back on his bike, maybe a little more careful than before. Here's what you need to do now. Click the link in the description of this video and sign up for this empowering experience. Click the link and sign up now.